If you're here because you're looking for how to make friends as an adult, don't feel weird about it. Obviously, other people are looking for it. If you're here because you always watch my Wednesday videos, please like the video to tell YouTube that it's good and to show it to other people. And if you like what you see, please subscribe.
It's Taco Tuesday. Let's go.
Stop! Or if you're at like a work conference, it's the same thing. Hey guys, my name is Shayla and I make these videos every Wednesday. I've been traveling full-time since 2015 and I will be in the Pacific Northwest for the rest of 2018. This Wednesday, we went to Idaho for Labor Day weekend and met a whole bunch of people. And it got me thinking about how to make friends as an adult because it's not a very common thing. And a lot of us are moving around for work or our core friends are leaving and we're just having to make new friends. And so I thought I'd make a video about how to make new friends because it's kind of a weird thing. The most obvious is work, right? You spend probably more time with these people that you work with than you do with your person. The way to advance this friendship from just work friends to like real friends is to get out of the office. Again, I did my research for you guys. You're welcome. You need to hang out at least 5 times outside of the office to become like real friends. A good way to do that is to find an event going on in the area and like invite all your coworkers to it, or make an event and be like, hey guys, I'm having a Halloween party, or I'm having this, or I'm doing this. Think about the kind of friends that you want. Do you want friends that you can go hiking with, or do you want friends that you can go get manicures with? I'm kind of more like the activity friend. Start a hobby. Be an interesting person so people want to be friends with you. Find interesting people you want to be friends with. So you can do hobbies like rock climbing. Rock climbing is very trendy right now. You can learn how to rock climb, go to the gym, start asking for some help. I feel like everybody's like, it would be nice to have someone to climb with, but everybody's thinking that nobody's doing it. So if you're the person who's like, hey, do you come here a lot because I'm new and I'm like looking for some tips or something, it's gonna be welcome. People are nice in general, and if they're not, who cares? There's another game that I've learned. Try and collect no's, and I'm gonna see what happens. Go take some classes, get around other people who are learning to climb, start making friends. See what I'm doing here? If you're like me, you might sign yourself up for a jewelry making class, a metalsmith class to learn how to make silver rings. It's a class of 6. I don't know how many friends I'm gonna make, but let's say there's somebody in that class and I'm like, you're cool. Then maybe I go, hey, where do you live? Do you want to carpool tomorrow? Hey, I found this really cool place for Taco Tuesday. Do you want to go with me and my boyfriend to Taco Tuesday? Like, just invite people to do stuff. You can join intramural sports. I feel like athletes kind of attract athletes. But the point is, you're gonna find people with similar interests, or you're gonna find people who do things that you wanna learn how to do. And that's gonna create a friendship. I personally think the best way to make friends is by friends of friends, because you already have a friend, and if you're friends with them, probably the people that they're friends with are people that you're gonna get along with as well. And it's pretty easy. If you move to one spot, you make friends with a coworker and they have friends in the area, you're like, hey, next time you get together with those people, can I tag along so I can meet more people in the area? Just ask. That way you can go and meet a whole bunch of people. So this is what happened to us this weekend. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about our weekend because it was awesome. We went to a cabin in Idaho. Yes, Idaho has incredible scenery. It's beautiful. I don't talk too much about it because people will find out and they'll want to be there. There's mountains, there's lakes. It's beautiful. Northern Idaho. You have to be open-minded, and you have to be open to trying new things. You have to be open to being a little bit vulnerable. That's just the way it is. For me, everyone was in vacation mode. I didn't put myself in vacation mode. So at 11 a.m., 10 or 11 a.m., they're like, let's start quarters.
If you bounce it in on your second try, go left or right. Bounce it in. Yeah, that passes.
I'll drink it with my coffee. Like, I don't realize how lame I am until I make these videos, actually. And then after that, they were like, let's go play beer pong on the dock. And when you do these things, sometimes you have to be the puppy. So sometimes the ping pong ball will get knocked off the dock and fall into the water and drift to the dock next to it. I was the puppy that went and got the ball. Then there was wakeboarding. Seth had never wakeboarded before, but he was open to trying. So he tried it, he nailed it.
Hit it. Yes, sir. Another slap in the rope.
Let's say you weren't good at it. You're like, oh, I'm nervous because I'm gonna be really, really bad. Nobody cares. So don't be like, oh, I need to hurry up and get this done because they're gonna be so annoyed and whatever. Like, people are cheering for you and they're excited that you're trying something new and that you're getting it and whatever. So and even if you fail miserably, who cares? Just try it. There's a couple technology things that you can try. Bumble BFF, so apparently there's Bumble for like to match with somebody that you might want to date, and then there's Bumble BFF where you can match with the person you want to be friends with. In my research I looked up and I found a girl who said that she had done it and loved it. So there's that, you can try it.
It's Taco Tuesday.
It's time.
Let's go.
I'm almost done, Seth.
Tacos.
This, you can help me. You can go to an event. For example, I'm going to a travel blogging conference by myself because Seth has like school and stuff. And so I've already got on the Facebook group and been like, hey guys, I'm Shayla, what do you do? Let's talk about it. So that hopefully when I get there, they'll like want to talk to me and hang out with me. I can make lots of new friends.
You're gonna make all the friends.
But you can go to a wedding. I'm also going to a wedding in October. During these events, people, like I stand there and I'm like, oh man, what are you gonna do?
Nothing.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
During these events, I stand there and I'm like, man, I wish someone would talk to me. Everyone thinks that, so just go talk to somebody. Everybody wants to be approached, so just go be the approacher and go say, hey, what's up?
Yeah, be the approacher.
Yeah.
The approacher.
Stop! Or if you're at like a work conference, it's the same thing. You just have to go talk to people. It's how you make friends.
You talk.
So think about what kind of friend do you want to make, because that's where you're gonna find your people. The other thing that you need to think about is what you bring to the table.
You bring so much to the table.
Thank you. Are you the planner? Are you the person who's like instigating? Are you the person who's taking photos? Like, what do you bring to the table? I hope this is helpful because sometimes it can be super weird. There's like a girl who you're like, that girl's really cool. Like, I want to be friends with her. This happened to me one time when I was working, and this girl was like, look, I know this is kind of weird, but like, I think you're cool and I want to hang out with you. And I was like, okay. And I went and we still talk. Hey, Jen.
What's up, Jen?
Sup, Jen? So you just have to do it. You just have to like get out there and you just have to get out there and do it. Let me close the door for a second.
You just have to get out there and be yourself. Just be yourself.
That's what I was gonna say. You do have to be yourself. The number one thing is be yourself, because I've met some weird people that I love because they were shamelessly themselves. I've also met some people that were like kind of cool, but I didn't love because they felt like they were trying to fit in really hard. Those are my recommendations. I hope that you make some new friends. If you guys have any ideas for how to make friends or like the most unique way you've ever made a friend, comment below because I would love to hear it. If you're here because you're looking for how to make friends as an adult, don't feel weird about it. Obviously, other people are looking for it. If you're here because you always watch my Wednesday videos, please like the video to tell YouTube that it's good and to show it to other people. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Mwah. What do you guys do when you have to go to the bathroom, but someone's in there and you can hear that they're on their phone?
What's up? What are you doing?
Just waiting for you.
You're so mean. Why are you doing this?
I'm over here looking for stuff for our room. Hey, Seth.